Hey guys, let's take a look at this power inverter. It's a 3000 watt continuous power and 6000 watts at peak power. This is what it looks like. Pretty solid construction. Comes with these two cables, negative and positive, and this remote which lets you turn it on and off from a distance. Okay, so here it is. It has these connection units right here. Take a look at it. Pure sine wave inverter. Fan on this side. Four standard electrical power outlets and one USB right here. Connections there as well. Switches. This is if you want to run it on the remote. And this just turns it on. I'm going to connect it to my battery and see how it works. Okay, I got it hooked up to the battery. Go ahead and turn it on. Check out that really nice color display. Very bright and easy to read. I have this espresso machine, which I'm going to use to test this inverter. The espresso machine draws up a lot of energy when it heats up the water. So let's go ahead and see how it does it. Shows that it's putting out, it's taking up what, like almost 1100 watts to heat up the water. Okay, so the water is ready. I'm going to go ahead and start. You saw the screen as it was working on that espresso. Works very well. This is the USB outlet. Just gonna go ahead and hook up my power bank. So overall, a great inverter. It is very nice with this display right here. It shows very clearly, as you can see, has all the hookups, the outlets and the USB outlet there, and is built with quality.